So I know when I first got to Ohio State, Dr. Castro, it was a scary feeling, especially being from so far away. And I remember applying, and getting in, and I would hear stories that a lot of professors are mean and a lot of professors don't like working with students. So to come here and then meet you and your wife and know that you were a professor here and your son was a professor here, and I got a chance to meet your family, made the huge difference.
I think one misconception is that students think that professors don't like to talk to a student. Most of them actually like to talk to a student.
Yeah.
So I think making the connection probably help you realize, hey, he's a professor, I can talk to him.
No, but it still helped. So meeting you and then talking to your son who was in my department, that made my fears go away. But knowing that students could really rely on professors at all times, I think helped me understand that success really all starts from professors. And that's really what I found in meeting you from the beginning. So how did you feel when, I first came to you at Go Buckeye Day, and then a few years later, I came up to you and said, hey, I'm graduating here soon. How did you feel?
Actually, my wife also was really impressed. She always said, man, how much you have progressed. Wilton really is a good example actually for, somebody who comes from far away, being a Hispanic, but you are also pretty easy to make friends too, I think. The worst thing you can do is to think, oh no, people are going to look down at me, people are going to do this, but actually you find that people are friendly. I think Ohio State is a very friendly campus, in my opinion. Yeah. I don't know how you feel.
No, yeah, I definitely agree. So many people from everywhere, yes. Making those connections is, I think, would open up the doors for me to do so well here at Ohio State.
So I think it's a pretty good campus.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm biased though.